Hello, and welcome to this class. This is microbiology and just some of the basic protocols of how to handle your online course in microbiology. So I'm going to give you some tips right now and some pointers, and we'll move forward with this. When we talk about microbiology, what is it? We will study prokaryotes. Those are organisms without membrane-bound organelles or a membrane-bound nucleus. Eukaryotes, there are some that are very small, such as protozoans and fungi, etc. These are organisms that have membrane-bound organelles and a membrane-bound nucleus. We will be discussing them from the perspective of how they work, how they function, as well as their place in health and disease. Now, this is an online course, so you need to keep these tips in mind that I'm going to present to you. First off, download and print your syllabus. That's going to be an extremely important document. It gives you an idea about your schedule. What are your work obligations? What are the deadlines and things like that? You want to also review work in each of the week's modules. There's a saying, if you look at all the meals that you had in 30 days, you'd be sitting there going, my gosh, I can't eat this mountain of food. But what do? You take it one meal at a time. If you approach this course by looking at everything and then getting overwhelmed, wow, that is going to be an overwhelming situation. But if you take it 1 week at a time, you're going to succeed. That's why planning is going to be important here. You have to plan ahead for success. What I suggest is plan out your calendar when you will get various activities done. Never procrastinate. That has been found by many studies to be one of the key tools to failure in an online course. And you don't want to fail. So don't put off things. If you know you've got studying to do on Monday and then some article to write on Tuesday, plan on it like that. If you get ahead of things, then if something happens and you get behind a little bit, that will help. But also, if something comes up involved where it's totally out of your control and it's very, very serious, contact your instructor always. Another very important point is always check over your graded work and review any feedback comments, which are there to help you to improve your work in the subsequent weeks. If I tell you, it might help you to use spell check, or it might help you and make it easier for you to put all of your source citations at the end, please start doing that. There's two reasons I'm trying to do this, because this is a college course. But secondly, it'll make it a lot easier, and you'll see this showing up in your grades in the subsequent assignments that you complete. Expect 2, maybe even 3 emails per week from me. Read them. Now, depending on the course, I may actually do what I call daily email memos. Those are memos sent out to remind you of certain things, to reiterate a certain quality, or give you a heads up on an upcoming exam, give you a couple of study tips perhaps. But it's important that you read those emails. What if you have technical problems? You want to contact the college tech help desk. Get their phone number and their email. I'll have that posted in the announcements, but it's also going to be really helpful for you, maybe on a 3x5 card or a sheet of paper, and have that tech help desk phone number next to your laptop anytime you're doing work. Something goes on the fritz, you immediately can get some help by making a phone call to the tech help desk. Now, as for myself, I will respond to your emails within 24 hours. Even on weekends? Absolutely. Now, we will meet once a week using Zoom for a virtual class time where I will review the topics, coursework, and answer any student questions. So, as we finish up here with this welcome, I want to welcome you to microbiology. The contact information is located in the syllabus for myself. We can arrange private office hours. First communicate to me by email and then by virtual meetings via Zoom. The main rule for your success, though, is focus on this course as it is going to be a foundation for your goals down the road. Again, welcome to the class. Have a great day.